Hi, I'm sorry I will not be there today, but I wanted to record a video for you so I could show you what you were doing last week and what you need to do this week. Okay, so last week you did a budget and you had $100 to spend, and in column A, you listed all of the food items. In column B, you listed their price. Okay, so if you had 3 bags of potatoes, you put times 3. If you had 2 cranberry sauces. So the price on your total cost is your total bill. Then you added a formula, and that formula is a sum sign. It's a Greek sum sign to add that column. So I'm just going to show you how, in case you don't have it, you come over here to the More buttons, and you go to the Greek sigma, and it's the word sum, which means that you've added, but it doesn't really know what you want to add. So you drag the numbers, only the numbers, no words, just the prices of the items, and you hit enter. And now it automatically keeps track because you can't spend 1 cent over $100. Okay, so we're going to add a chart or a graph. They're both used interchangeably. And the best one would be the pie chart because we have a whole $100 and we want to see what the pieces of the pie, what percentage they are. What percentage was the turkey? What percentage were the desserts or, all the items? What cost us the most money as a whole out of our $100? So how we're going to do that is you're going to take A3 and you're going to drag over to B13. Okay, you're going to drag your mouse. I'll do it again. You're going to drag A3 down to B13. Then you're going to come up to Insert on the toolbar, Insert, Chart. Now, if it doesn't give you a pie chart, I'm not sure. Okay, it gave me a pie chart. But if it gave you this chart, if it gave you a column chart, which is used to compare things, then you're just going to switch where it says Setup, Chart Type. You're going to drop it down and go to the pie chart. All right, now the only thing I want you to, 2 things. I want you to move the chart below your budget, okay, below your total shopping bill or your cost. I think I wrote it as cost. And then I want you to change to give it a title. So you're going to go to Customize, and you're going to go to Chart and Axis Title. And where it says Chart Title, you're going to type Thanksgiving Dinner Budget. Thanksgiving Dinner Budget. Let me move this down so you can see it okay. All right, Thanksgiving dinner budget. So now you've got, and I could see here that my turkey was 12%, 11.9, but my pies were 22.3%. So they were the bigger piece of the pie. When you're done, you're going back to the classroom and you're going to click on the instructions, view instructions, and click the blue button that says turn in. And then you'll go to typing.com. All right, I hope you have a great day. And again, I'm sorry that I'm not there.